High in the windswept valleys beyond the snow lines, there lived a young boy named Tenzin who often complained about his life. The yaks were stubborn, the winters too long, and the mountains too silent.
The yaks are so stubborn, and the winters are too long. The mountains are too silent.
One day, frustrated, he climbed a ridge and shouted into the vast emptiness, "I hate this place." A voice came back, "I hate this place." Startled, Tenzin ran down to his grandmother, a quiet woman known in the village for her wisdom.
Grandmother, the mountain spoke back to me. There is something in the mountains, he said, trembling, something angry.
"Is that so?" she said calmly. "And what did it say?" "Go back tomorrow, but this time, speak differently."
She smiled gently and said, "Go back tomorrow, but this time speak differently." The next day, Tenzin returned. Though unsure, he shouted, "I am grateful for this land." The mountains replied, "I am grateful for this land." Confused but curious, he returned again and shouted,
You are beautiful!
"You are beautiful." The echo answered, "You are beautiful." That evening, his grandmother said, "The mountains do not judge you. Child, they return what you give." Life is the same. What you send into the world will echo back to you. From that day on, Tenzin spoke more carefully, not just to the mountains, but to people, to animals, and to himself. And slowly, the world around him softened.
Tenzin came to understand something simple yet profound. Speech is a mirror. From that day on, Tenzin spoke more carefully. Words carry weight. They shape not only the world around us, but also the heart within us. When he spoke with patience, respect, and love, the mountains, the yaks, the people, even his own reflection, answered in kind. And when he rushed or complained, the echoes were sharp, reminding him to choose carefully. In the end, he realized, life echoes what we send into it, and our words are the first ripples on that endless tide.